Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at a cordless vacuum designed for users who want extended runtime, flexible maneuverability, and high-efficiency cleaning technology all in one lightweight system. This is the Bosch Unlimited 10, a premium cordless stick vacuum offering up to 80 minutes of runtime, a 90 degrees flex tube, MicroClean Brush, and a HEPA filtration system that captures over 99.9% of dust and allergens. If you're looking for a vacuum that can reach under furniture, handle pet hair, and clean multiple surfaces with strong suction, this model is worth considering. One of the standout features is the 90 degrees flex tube. This bendable joint lets the vacuum reach underneath beds, couches, and tables without requiring you to bend or kneel, making cleaning low spaces much easier. Combined with Bosch's MicroClean Brush, this vacuum lifts fine dust, pet dander, and debris from both carpets and hard floors while maintaining strong airflow. The MicroClean technology allows for more precise dust pickup, improving efficiency and reducing the number of passes needed. Runtime is another major highlight. The Bosch Unlimited 10 offers up to 80 minutes of cleaning time, depending on the selected power mode and attachments. This extended battery life is ideal for whole home cleaning or multi-room tasks without interruption. The lightweight construction and ergonomic handle make the vacuum easy to maneuver, especially around corners, stairs, and furniture. The HEPA filter system is designed to trap over 99.9% of fine dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air for households with pets, allergies, or sensitive users. Bosch's sealed system prevents dust leakage, and the dust container empties cleanly with minimal mess. Washable filters help reduce ongoing maintenance costs, making this vacuum both effective and economical. Bosch includes 3 essential accessories: a crevice nozzle, an upholstery tool, and a multi-surface brush for targeted cleaning. These tools allow you to clean sofas, shelves, corners, car interiors, and tight spaces with ease. With a sleek white finish and slim design, the Unlimited 10 combines modern aesthetics with strong engineering. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that delivers long battery life, excellent dust pickup, flexible reach, and reliable HEPA filtration, the Bosch Unlimited 10 is a strong choice. Check it out using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy these product reviews and want to see more daily uploads.